booster ignition and liftoff.
The cutting edge of human innovation. Mankind's reach for the stars has created new benchmarks in science and technology. And out here, it has to be the best. In space, there's no second chance. Without compromise, the systems, personnel, and the products they use have to be the best, most technologically advanced, and most reliable. Pyrogen is one such product, a simple, fail-safe, environmentally friendly and highly effective firefighting system, developed out of the Soyuz space research program in the critical area of flameless rocket fuels. Unlike most competitive systems, Pyrogen requires no pressure cylinders or pipework. Each unit is self-contained in a heavy-duty metal casing, incorporating an electrical ignition device, a solid rocket fuel derivative that, when ignited, produces the firefighting aerosol, chemical coolant, a blow-off cover, an end plate nozzle, and an integral thermal ignition device. Pyrogen generators are maintenance-free and come in a variety of sizes, depending on the mass of solid aerosol-generating chemical they contain. Pyrogen units are simply secured to bulkheads, walls, or other installation points, where they can be fired automatically or manually. Manual operation is electrical, while automatic activation can be either electrical or thermal. The aerosol itself has numerous advantages over competing systems. First and foremost, it's 3 times more effective than Halon. Just as important is its environmental friendliness. Pyrogen features 0 ozone depleting potential and 0 global warming potential. It's non-conductive and presents no low-temperature thermal shock to sensitive equipment. Pyrogen is also low in toxicity. The solid phase of aerosol is potassium carbonate, while the gaseous phase consists simply of nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapour. Tested by Scientific Services Laboratory, it's proved to be the most efficient Halon alternative product currently available. Pyrogen systems are suitable for a wide variety of applications. In this demonstration, the generators are fixed in a standard 20-foot shipping container to extinguish the type of fire that may occur in the engine room of a commercial diesel shipping vessel. The test complies with standards prescribed by the Uniform Shipping Laws Code and incorporates a variety of limitations, such as nozzles directed away from the fire, unclosable openings in the container, and constant airflow. In seconds, the fire is extinguished completely, using an impressive 10% less extinguishment than the minimum listed by the Scientific Services Laboratory in Australia for sealed enclosures. The rapid 3-dimensional spread of the aerosol is clearly apparent, while thermal imaging reveals the added advantage of Pyrogen's potent cooling effect. In this standard-approved test for Class A type fires, combustible solids, the effectiveness of Pyrogen in both extinguishing and cooling the affected area is even more apparent. Not only is the fire completely extinguished, but the crib is cool enough to be removed from the test enclosure immediately afterwards. It's a similar scenario with plastics in this test to a proposed Class A minimum extinguishing concentration standard. Again, the fire is completely out in seconds, while the test protocol allows up to 10 minutes. Pyrogen is highly effective, even in explosive situations. Each of these 3 chambers is filled with a volatile cocktail of methane and oxygen. Pyrogen canisters are placed in the right-hand container. While the methane-oxygen mix in 2 of the containers explodes, the one containing Pyrogen remains intact. In addition to these tests, the Pyrogen system has been approved by several other major bodies. It's officially listed by the United States Environmental Authority, recognised by the regulating standards bodies of Australia and New Zealand, tested by Scientific Services Laboratory Australia for use on a variety of fires, and approved under the Uniform Shipping Laws Code for use on commercial vessels. Already it's been adopted by Sydney Waterways for use on its passenger carrying ferry services, by the New South Wales Water Police, and is fitted to more than 200 other boats around Australia. In applications like these, the technical requirements, performance, effectiveness and reliability of firefighting systems is critical. Pyrogen is also suitable for a wide variety of other applications. It's ideal for almost any kind of engine space, marine, automotive, aircraft or stationary installations such as generator rooms. It's also suitable for hard-to-get-at enclosed spaces, such as tanks, storage areas or cable ducts. In more open applications, transformer areas, electrical switchboards and spray painting booths, it's just as effective. In today's society, people, their property and investments need the best, most economical, environmentally safe protection they can get from the ravages of fire. Pyrogen, a new standard in fire protection.